What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which has once again hit a green candle and it is up just under 14% in the last 24 hours, currently valued at this value here. And yes, after the Bitcoin halving yesterday, we are seeing a very slow recovery in the crypto market, with Bitcoin heading over near about $65,000 right now. And as you guys can see, Milady meme coin is also slowly hitting green candles. So is this the point where majority of the cryptocurrencies bounce back up, recover, and potentially break out over the coming weeks? So that's what we're going to be going through, focusing on Milady meme coin. What is the best option right now? Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it simply to hold on to it? And also covering its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024, looking at, is this a crypto still worth investing into this year? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we are back into the green zone, but we'll get into that later on. So for now, let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is here in purple. And we can finally see that the crypto is trading above the SMA indicator after a good, let's have a look here, 3 weeks. It has been underperforming below the SMA indicator, but right now, literally after the Bitcoin halving, it has pumped up over the SMA indicator, which so far looks so good for myself and from the analysis that I have done as well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is slightly slanting towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm predicting. Potentially about 5 to 7% increase from where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting. Reason it's not anything huge is because it is likely to hit red candles in between as well, taking a little bit of a dip, but also hitting green candles. And again, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking quite bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, over the next 7 to 8 days, do expect majority of the days to be green. However, we are likely to see the odd red days in between. But as mentioned earlier, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side, potentially heading about 15 to 20% increase from where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting from Milady meme coin over the coming week. But again, this is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So again, I will keep you guys updated of any changes or updates that I come across that could have a potential impact on the value of Milady meme coin. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. And as you guys can see, the lines are not looking too steep either, meaning it is quite realistic. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late June 2024, an overall increase in value is again expected from Milady meme coin. Again, the percentage increase I will not be able to mention it right now, but I'm expecting quite a huge increase is what I'm going to say right now. So at least about a good 55 to 60% at least, guys, is what I'm expecting. But again, it is cryptocurrency. If there are any changes to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Milady meme coin over the next approximately 2.5 months. But again, to stay in the loop on my expectations and predictions, make sure you guys stay subscribed. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the green zone right now. So what I'm expecting over the coming week is for it to head up even higher, heading to the higher level of the green zone, potentially breaking out into the dark green zone in early May, mid-May, and into the blue zone as well by late May. And in June, it should have essentially broken out from the top tier level into the top tier zone. Here is what I'm expecting at the moment. So far it is looking quite good, but again, do expect red candles and dips in between, as that is always part of the process. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped by 25% in the last 24 hours, making it $12.1 million. Reason we've seen a slight dip in trading is because, yes, it has pumped up in value overall. However, as you guys can see, it has been very volatile, pump, drop, and right now pumping again. So yes, it has been quite volatile, but the overall outcome has been positive. Over the week, a huge 30%. It's been again quite volatile, but over the last few days, it has gained a decent amount of percentage. And over the month, however, it is still down 35%. So yes, it is up over the day and over the last week, but if you zoom out a little bit more, over the last 4 weeks, it is down quite a bit. So it is still on its way to recovery. It hasn't recovered fully yet. So it will take at least a good 2 to 3 weeks for it to get back up, but it is part of the process and we have to take it at a slow and steady pace. So this is my take and my prediction on Milady meme coin. Guys, comment down below, what are your expectations after the Bitcoin halving has taken place? Do you guys still predict the same as you predicted before? Has it changed? Let me know how many zeros is Milady meme coin likely to get rid of in 2024 or likely to add in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.